Assalamu alaikum. Today's concept is about what is the basic difference between x square equal to 4 and x square equal to minus 4. In my previous video, I told that I give you a theoretical concept about the imaginary numbers. So here the x square equal to minus 4, it also a quadratic imaginary equation. So we can in that video I told that I give you a theory that we can convert the imaginary quadratic equation, we can convert it to variable equation. That means x square equal to minus 4, we can convert, we can think that x square equal to yz, that means yz equal to minus 4. So here now we will know that what is the basic difference between these two equation, a normal equation and the imaginary quadratic equation. So here we can also convert this normal equation like x square equal to 4, then we can convert x square equal to y1 into z1. That means y1 into z1 equal to 4. So if we put a digit or put the numbers, we can clearly understand this equation. So if we put a negative 2 and a positive 2, then it will be minus 4. So that's not the proof of this equation. If we prove this equation or if we balance this equation, we have to give the value both the positive numbers or both negative numbers. If we put the value of y1 equal to minus 2 and z1 equal to minus 2, then it will be plus 4. Or if we put the plus y1 equal to plus 2 and z1 equal to plus 2, then it will be 4. So if we prove this equation, then we have to give the value both positive or both negative numbers. Now the quadratic imaginary equation, we can also transform this two variable equation. Here x square equal to minus 4, we can think that x square equal to yz, that means yz equal to minus 4. So if we also understand this equation, we have to give the value of y and z. If we give the value of y equal to 2 and z equal to 2, then it will not prove this equation. But if we give the value of y equal to minus 2 and z equal to plus 2, then we'll prove this equation. That means what is the meaning of this equation? If we want to prove this equation, we have to give the both negative and positive numbers in this equation. The first normal equation is that we have to only give positive numbers or the negative numbers, then it will prove that normal equation. But in this imaginary equation, we have to give the both positive and negative numbers in that equation, then it will prove this equation. So that's the basic difference between these two equations. That's the main concept of today's video. So like, share and comments or of your own thoughts in the comment box. To this the end of the video. Allah Hafiz.